Gold and silver has traded bearish so far for the day. In fact, gold has touched 1902 levels and silver has again gone below 2240. So now what to expect today when the retail sales data is going to come from US, which is definitely going to bring volatility, which direction we can expect it to be, how to profit trading gold and silver with the data and with the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon which keeps yourself updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. Let's start. If you look at the hourly chart, consistently lower lows are getting formed here and it is trying to form a waterfall. A breakout above 1906 and then 1910 levels is where we can see a little more bullishness. However, largely saying 1916 is the level which it needs to break past by in order to confirm the reversal. If you look at the hourly chart, certainly lower lows are getting created. You can see flat opening and lower lows are seen here. So once you see gold above 1906, you can buy. However, remember there is still a lot much of room on the upside. Possibly we may see a little resistance at 1908, then 1914, 1916 zone. So this is a level which we can look forward to if it stays above 1906. Stochastic already trading flat and at bottom, while MACD is trading extremely bearish. It can possibly converge, but right now there is no signs here and it is trading bearish. RSI almost at bottom. If you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts as well, on the 2-hour charts, if you look at, see, lower lows, lower highs, hence yes, above 1906 and 1908 zone is where little more bullishness can be seen, and then I will look forward to 1914, 1916 zone, the greater resistance for today on the upside. Right now it is forming lower lows, lower highs, and it is trading in a bearish channel. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is almost hitting at bottom, while on the 3-hour charts, if you look at, similar observation can be seen here. And yes, this is the zone it needs to break past by. Specifically above 1908, there will be little more bullishness. And then, as I said, 1914, 1916 zone, it needs to pass by in order to confirm the reversal. Stochastic here is oversold. MACD is divergent again and bearish. RSI is already hitting the bottom there. And on the 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see how beautifully it has formed a channel out here, and you can see how beautifully it has yielded lower highs, lower lows, trying to trade in this. A reversal can be expected staying above 1906 levels and then specifically 1908, 1910 levels. Similar observation, right now it is looking downwards. Right now it appears that this candle could be equally big. What we have seen here after series of red candles, it can give a bigger red candle which might take it below 1900 levels, which might take it till towards 1898, 95 levels. So possibility exists that if it stays below 1900, there will be further more bearishness still towards 1895 and 1891 levels, and a reversal confirmation if it stays above 1906. Yes, you can buy there. Stochastic here is oversold. MACD is crossing over with and trading with divergence and bearishness, looking downwards. RSI is already extremely oversold, and on the day, now on the daily chart, this is second consecutive red candle after yesterday's bearish candle. And if you look at the charts here, lower highs, lower lows, it appears 1900 may provide a good support. Below 1900 is where little more bearishness can be expected till towards 1895 and 1891 levels. Yes, increasingly bearish candles can be expected. However, opening was flat and hence it has to break beyond this zone where little more bullishness can be confirmed. Specifically, staying above 1914-16 zone is where the reversal is confirmed. Stochastic extremely oversold. MACD is divergent bearish. RSI is already hitting at bottom. Considering this, yes, one can buy at 1908. However, 1914, 1916 is the zone which you should look forward to. Any rise above 1914, 1916 is where the bulls might take the charge and we can see a reversal from there. Till 1914-16, it is not a reversal. Possibly we can see a pullback again. And on the downside, I will recommend a sell only if you see it trading below 1900. Now below 1900 is where 1895 96 levels is the first target, and then 1891 should get achieved. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the hourly charts, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands, trying to show a pullback here. a rise above 2260 is where little more bullishness can be seen. Specifically, I will now recommend you to buy only if you see it above 2270 or 2280 zone. These are greater resistances for today. And for if you look at the hourly charts, you will find yes, it is traded outside Bollinger Bands, a pullback it is trying to show. And there is a greater resistance is seen at 2255, 2270 zone. So this is the zone which silver needs to break past by today in order to confirm the rise. But let's have a further detailed look. See, stochastic oversold, MACD extremely divergent, extremely bearish here. Yes, it can yield further, but possibility of it to converge exists strong. RSI flat and at bottom. On the 2-hour charts also similarly trading outside Bollinger Bands, but see the Bollinger Band width has narrowed and this has shown a downward pull. Possibly this could reverse from here because see it always tries to in general it tries to trade the opposite way before looking forward to a reversal. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is already trading flat and at bottom. And if you look at 3-hour charts, bearishness is diminished. Candle size is getting smaller with every move, and this candle, though opened outside Bollinger Bands, possibly it can show a pullback. But then till 2270 and 2280, very strong resistance is existent here. Stochastic here is also oversold. MACD crossing over for sell, divergent bearish. RSI at bottom. And on the 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here, almost lower lows, double bottom. And a reversal here can be expected if it stays above 2270, 2280 zone. Stochastic looking down, MACD willing to converge crossover for sell. It is already in green, while RSI is already hitting a bottom. And on the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, almost lower lows are done. A reversal here can be expected only and only if it stays above 2280, and on the downside 2230 is a good support. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI hitting a bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell silver today. If you see it trading above 2230 levels, below 2230 still you will find 2220 is a great support, and if it stays below 2220 is where the bears will take over completely, and we can expect similar size of candle which might in fact take it till towards $22 level. So yes, staying short below 2230 and 20 zone is where more bearishness will prevail for today, where you can expect 22 and below levels. On the upside, you can buy here at 2260, but then 2270, 2280, only about 2280 is where the reversal is confirmed, where one can expect 23 or 2320 levels. Else, till 2280, there is no bullishness. Yes, it can retrace further on the upside. However, 2280 is a greater hurdle for it to break past by. Beyond that, it is going to stay bullish for 2320 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, sell at 2230, buy at 2260 levels. In between these 30 cents, do not take any position. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.